couple of different points on there. So there's a point on here. This is point B. There is an angle, XYZ, and there is a rectangle, JKHI. Okay. So and our vector is called EF. And there's a point A on there. Woo! There's a lot of stuff on there. Okay, now. I'm going to help you with the first part and show you how to do this on a coordinate grid. You can. I just wanted to highlight it for the video, okay? So don't just jump to number 2. Notice number 1 says, translate angle XYZ, point A, point B, and rectangle HIJK along vector EF. Translate means slide, and we have to use our vector. Sketch the images and label all the points in prime notation. Okay, so our vector is here. In mine, it's purple, and it's a little curved on mine. Sorry about that. Now, we want our vector is not straight left this time, is it? And it's not straight up. It's going left and up, isn't it? How can we use the coordinate grid to tell us how far to move everything? It's actually a direction, Alex Z. Yeah, diagonal, but how far left is my vector telling me I'm going? It's going how far to the left, Amy? Count the squares, okay? So my vector on the side here, I'm going to write this. Vector is telling me to get from here to here, I must travel how far left? How many squares left? 4 left. And then I'm still not to the end of my vector. How far up do I have to go? 2. 1, 2. And 2 up. So on the coordinate grid, it gets a little bit more exact, which is kind of nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my angle. And here's point X, right? My vector is telling me here that I have to move X 4 left and 2 up. So I am going to start here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's not where X prime goes. Then where do I have to go? Up 2. 1, 2. Right here is where X prime goes. How do I find Y prime now? Starting here, where do I go? 4 left, yep. And 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and 1, 2 up. Here's Y prime. What else do I have to translate for this angle? Z. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Where am I going to go? 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what? 2 up. 1, 2. And there is Z prime. Okay, then take your ruler, right? Because you don't want it to look crazy. And we want to reconnect our lines. Did it work? Did we have a nice translation?
Yeah.
It sure did. Okay. Now your job is to translate point A to get A prime. What do you do if you're just translating a point and nothing else? Just move it. Just move the point. How far is point A going to go? 4 left and 2 up. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with it here. It's in the middle, though, isn't it? Does it matter? No. So I'm going to go middle 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go up 2. So a full 1 is here, and then another full 1. I'm going to land in the middle again. What will I name this point? A prime. Do you understand how we're doing this? Okay, you guys try doing point B without my help. And I am going to end the video here because I think that's enough of an explanation. So, if not, please come and see me before class tomorrow.